Hello everyone, I welcome you all. In this video we will see uh, Hppsc Civil Engineering Assistant Engineer question paper. In this we will discuss about technical portion of civil engineering. We have already done the GK portion and general awareness portion in the previous video. You can refer that video too. So let's start with our first question. What is the shape of elementary profile of a gravity dam? And the right answer for this question is option B, triangular. Our next question is, in storage routing of a reservoir, the storage is maximum in the reservoir under which of the following condition with ungated spillway? And answer for this question is option A, inflow is equal to outflow. The rockfill dam is preferred under which of the following condition? And answer for this question is option C, suitable rock quarry and clay borrow pits are available near dam site. The magnitude of camber in road pavement is governed by which of the following factors? And answer will be option C, both magnitude of rainfall and the nature of pavement surface. Question number 5 is, compute the lag distance as per the PIEVE theory by assuming design speed of 100 km per hour and the reaction time of 2.5 seconds. And the solution is option A is the right answer, 69.50 meter. Next question is, what will be the value of equilibrium super elevation for a design speed of 100 km/h on a circular curve of radius 100 meter? And the right answer is option A, 0.79. Which of the following speed is estimated as safe speed limit from cumulative speed distribution data? And the solution is for this question is option B, 85th percentile speed. Next question is, which of the following tests measure toughness of aggregates? And right answer is impact value test. Arrange the correct sequence from the bottom to top in a flexible pavement. And the solution is option B, subgrade granule subbase coarse waterbound I'm sorry, it is not visible here, built up spray and bituminous and semi dense carpet. So civil engineers know this very well, because here I think it is not visible easily, so I'm sorry for this. Option B is the right answer here. Which of the following failure is related with rigid pavement? And the right answer for this question is option D, mud pumping. Next question is, the mean sea level of a permanent benchmarks was 150 meter. The site reading taken on a vehicle staff kept on a benchmark was 1.50, while the back site reading taken on inverted vertical staff kept at the bottom of roof was 1.85 meter. What would be the level of bottom of roof? And the right answer for this question is option D, 153.30 meter. The satellite images give the information related to land use and the land cover of Earth's surface. Such data is processed for getting useful information using the which of following tools? And the right answer is GIS, Geographical Information System. Next question is, if the cross-sectional area of an embankment at 30-meter intervals are 20, 40, 60, 50 and 30 meters square respectively, what would be approximate value of embankment? And the answer for this question is 5300 meter cube. Next question is, which of the topographic survey maps procured under different scale would be more accurate? And the right answer for this question is 1:10 25,000. Option D is the correct answer. Next question is, for a tachometer, the additive and multiplying constants are respectively, and answer would be option A, 0 and 100. The maximum permissible limit for fluoride in drinking water is, and the right answer is option C, 1.50 mg per liter. The chemical most commonly used for increasing the speed of sedimentation of sewage is, and the right answer for this is lime. If the optimistic time, most likely time, and pessimistic time for activity A are 4.6 and 8 respectively, what would be expected time for completion of activity A? And the right answer for this question is option B, 6 days. Which of the following excavator is most suitable for digging underwater? And right answer for this question is dragline. Next question is, the process in which chlorination is done beyond the breakpoint is known as, option C, superchlorination. The sewer which receives the discharge of a number of house sewer is called, option B, lateral sewer. Which one of the following criteria is met in gap graded soil? And the right answer for this question is option A, there is representation of coarser and line particles where in intermediate particles are missing. Which one of the following soil has maximum plasticity index? And right answer for this question is option A, clay with motomorinite minerals. Next question is, as per Indian standard classification, Mi means? And the right answer for this question is option B, inorganic silt with medium compressibility. Next question is, a saturated soil has specific gravity of 2.6 and moisture content of 0.30. What would be wide ratio of soil under saturated condition? And the right answer for this question is option D, 0.78. What would be the dry unit weight of a soil having unit weight of 1.60 gram per centimeter cube and moisture content of 0.20? And the right answer for this question is option D, 1.33. Which type of rollers are suitable for compaction of clay soil? And the right answer for this question is option B, sheep foot rollers. Next question is, the characteristics of isotropic soil and non-homogeneous soil refers to? And the right answer for this question is option C, permeability of soil is same at a point in all directions, however the property is different at different points. Next question is, in homogeneous earth dam, the upstream face of dam in contact with water represents? And the right answer for this question is equipotential surfaces. The upstream face of dam is critical under which of the following conditions? And the right answer for this question is option B, under sudden drawdown condition. The core provided in rock-filled dam consists of? And the right answer for this question is option D, clay material. Next question is, which of the following methods can be used for the estimation of bearing capacity of soil using laboratory test? And the right answer for this question is option D, triaxial test. Which of the following soil has a maximum porosity? And the right answer for this question is clay. What would be the critical exit gradient in a soil of specific gravity 2.5 having void ratio of 0.50? And the answer for this question is option D, 1. due to expulsion of pore water from a saturated soil leads to which of the following? And the right answer for this question is increase in shear strength of soil. Number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry is? And the right answer for this question is 500. The most commonly used retarder in cement is? And the right answer for this question is option A, gypsum. The compaction factor test for cement concrete determines its? And the right answer for this question is option D, workability. Next question is, according to IS specification, the compressive strength of ordinary Portland cement after 3 days should not be less than? And the right answer for this question is 16 megapascal. Effective thickness of a fillet weld is? And the right answer for this question is a function of angle between fusion faces. Maximum bending moment in a beam occurs where? And the right answer for this question is where shear forces changes sign. Or it can be point of contraflexion. The stiffness of a helical spring is expressed as? And the right answer for this question is option B, load per unit deflection. The moment of inertia of a circular disc of radius r and mass m about its diameter is? And the right answer for this question is mr square by 4. Next question is, a collision is said to be perfectly inelastic if the coefficient of restitution is? Option C is the right answer, that is 0. The carryover factor in a prismatic member whose far end is fixed is? Option B is the right answer, that is 1 by 2. Bending moment at any section in a conjugate beam gives in the actual beam? Right answer for this question is option C, deflection. The shape for a solid circular section subjected to bending about its diameter is? And the right answer for this question is 1.70. Minimum grade of reinforced concrete for mid exposure condition as per Indian Standard Code of Particle is? And the right answer for this question is option B, M20. In general, the proportion of fine aggregates to coarse aggregates in normal concrete mix are? And the right answer for this question is option B. Question number 51 to 70 are of general awareness. I have made a special video on that and you can watch that video in my playlist. So let's start with the question number 71. In case of Newtonian fluid, which of the following statements are correct? And the right answer for this question is B. Absolute viscosity of fluid remain constant with the variation in the rate of angular deformation. Such type of graph is there, your shear stress, and this is your rate of angular deformation. So here these are Newtonian fluids. In static fluid, the pressure on a stationary plane vertical surface called the center of pressure always below the centroid of the plane surface. Correct reasoning of the statement is, so right answer for this question is C. The pressure increase linearly with the depth below the free surface. The ratio of inertia force to viscous force is your option A, Reynolds number. Reynolds number is your rho Vd over mu. Next question is, the observed mean flow velocity of a water in a pipe of 5 cm diameter was found to be 10 cm per second. What would be the value of Reynolds number for above flow condition? And the right answer for this question is 5000. Next question is, the mean flow depth and mean velocity in a rectangular channel were found to be 1 meter and 0.60 meter per second respectively. The flow condition in the rectangular channel can be classified as, and the right answer for this question is subcritical. Option is the right answer. The head of a flowing fluid is termed as, and the right answer for this question is energy per unit weight of flowing fluid. What would be the momentum correction factor for an ideal fluid flowing in a pipe? And the right answer for this question is 1. The coefficient of velocity, coefficient of discharge of an orifice 0.96 and 0.60 respectively. What would be the corresponding value of coefficient of contraction of the same orifice? And the right answer for this question is 0.625. Next question is, in smooth turbulent flow, the friction factor is dependent on which of the following factors? And the right answer is Reynolds number, because generally your Reynolds number, if it's below 2000, then your laminar flow, if it is greater than 2000 or 4000 5000, so then it is your turbulent flow. But after immediate 2000 or between 3000, it is called as transition flow. It is not turbulent or not it is laminar, it's a bit in between, so it is transition flow. But after 3000 or 4000, it is termed as turbulent flow. Compute total pressure force acting on a vertical cross section of a right angled triangular channel section having uniform water flow depth of 3 meter. And the right answer for this question is 88.29 kilonewton. Option D is the right answer. Specific energy concept is applicable for which of the following situations? And the right answer for this question is steady uniform flows. Next question is, surge in open channel is classified as, and the right answer for this question is unsteady rapid varied flow. M2 gradually varied flow profiles are having which of the following characteristics? And the right answer for this question is option B, drawdown with subcritical flows. Next question is, a dam was created on a mild sloped river. What kind of profile is expected in downstream of dam on the riverbed? And the right answer for this question is option C, M3. The base flow component includes which of the following? And the right answer for this question is option D, groundwater flow and delayed interflow. What would be the intensity of excess rainfall that would be represented by unit hydrograph of 4-hour duration? And the right answer for this question is option D, 0.25 centimeter per hour. Rational formula is applicable under what condition is prediction of flood and storm of duration 1 hour? And the right answer for this question is the time of concentration at catchment outlet should be less than 1 hour. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is, the recurrence interval of a flood magnitude 20,000 meter cube per second in a river were observed to be 4 years, 6 years, 5 years, 5 years, and 10 years in a time span of 30 years. What would be the return period for the flood of magnitude 20,000 meter cube per second in the same river? And the right answer for this question is 6 years. In hydrologic routing, storage time constantly present. And the right answer for this question is option A, time required for passage of flood wave from upstream section to downstream section. Right answer. Next question is, the duty of a canal network would be maximum at which of the following location? And the right answer for this question is head of agricultural field. The field capacity and the permanent rating point of an irrigation field were observed to be 0.30 and 0.10 respectively. Compute the moisture content for optimal growth for the same field by assuming readily available moisture 75% of available moisture. And the right answer for this question is option C, 0.25. Which of the following porous media has high specific yield? And the right answer for this question is sandy. Specific capacity of well refers to, and the right answer for this question is discharge per unit drawn of the well. Option A is the correct answer. In a gravity dam under full reservoir condition, tensile stress is expected at which of the following location? And the right answer for this question is heel of the dam. Hydraulic jump type energy dissipator is used in spillways under which of the following condition? And the right answer for this question is tailwater curves follows the jump height curve. Which of the following purpose of flood control reservoir are met? And the right answer for this question is it reduces the flood peak and cause time lag in flood in downstream channel. The canal falls are needed in the canal network for which of the following condition? And the right answer for this question is option A, designed slope is smaller than available ground slope. What is the shape of Lacy regime channel? And the right answer for this question is semi-elliptical. What would be the exit gradient for a permeable foundation in absence of downstream pile? And the right answer for this question is infinite. Option D is the correct answer. And the next question is question number 100. Under which of the following conditions maximum cross drainage work is expected? And the right answer for this question is contour canal. So these were the technical questions. It was around 80 questions. If you like the video, if you like the question paper or whatsoever, so please like the video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel if not subscribed yet. And I made videos on another papers which is conducted by Hppsc and Hppsc. So it would be a great help for those who want to study online or who want previous year papers. You can refer my channel. I would be highly thankful to you for this. So let's meet in next video. Till then, bye.